Look at this bulb. The wire helps it glow, but the plastic ruler does not. Why do you think that happens? Both are solid objects. Both can be touched, but only one helps electricity move. What is different inside them? Let's go smaller. Much smaller. Inside copper, there are tiny particles. What could be inside them? Look carefully at these atoms. They are not exactly the same. Do you notice something different? Why might that matter? This atom has an outer particle. What do you think it can do? Will it stay fixed or move easily? Now look at this atom. Its outer part looks full. Will its particles move easily too? What is your guess? Interesting. Some outer particles can move. They are not held very tightly. Could this movement be important? Now many particles are moving. Not just one, they move through the material. What does that help us do? The bulb glows again. Something is moving in the wire. Could these tiny particles be carrying electricity? Different elements have different numbers, especially these tiny particles. Could that be why elements behave differently? The tiny particles we saw are called electrons. Electrons are found outside the nucleus. Every element has electrons, but the number is different for different elements. Hydrogen has 1 electron, helium has 2, lithium has 3. Each element has its own electron arrangement. Electrons help decide how elements behave. They affect reactions. They affect electricity too. Small particles, big effects. Think about the devices around you: fans, chargers, and lights. Moving electrons help electricity flow. Now that mystery makes sense. Let's build a simple atom model. Use small objects as electrons. See how different elements can have different numbers. Here is a challenge. Atom A and atom B have different numbers of electrons. How might that affect their behavior? Think carefully. What do you think would happen if every element had the same number of electrons? Would all elements behave the same way? Electrons are tiny particles in atoms. Different elements have different numbers of electrons. Electrons help determine how elements behave.